In a discussion about H-1B visa, I heard that NRIs will come back to India and build India a superpower. No, it's not gonna happen. Let me tell you, it's not a good news for India. No, because it doesn't work like that way. Firstly, it will not create new jobs, but only redistributes existing ones. And a sudden oversupply of talent would crowd the domestic job market, creating tougher competition, lowering salaries, slowing promotions, and even leaving many underemployed and unemployed. And returnees with US exposure may demand leadership or high-value roles, clashing with existing hierarchies and sidelining Indian managers. Also, salary structures would compress downward, reducing the bargaining power of local employees who are already burdened by EMIs. Many locals will lose jobs and will struggle to cope. Also, cities will face extra strain on housing, traffic, and healthcare, while returnees' higher lifestyle expectations may cause dissatisfaction and social tensions. The key to India's development is not in bringing NRIs back, but in retaining homegrown talent and giving them space to innovate. With the current red tape, bureaucratic hurdles, lack of funding, and corruption, even the brightest minds will struggle to create here.